Hey all, this is our first day in Japan in Tokyo. We went to the Imperial Palace East Natural Gardens on a guided tour. This is going to be a pretty chilled video, nothing too crazy or exciting. It's just a bit of our experience walking around the gardens. I hear it's much nicer in the spring, but of course we were there in winter. We're actually there more for snowboarding, but of course you've got to see the sights while you're there. Not going to talk throughout the video. There's just a bit of information at the bottom of the screen if you want to see what's what. If you want to experience this tour for yourself, I'll put some information in the description of the video. So yeah, enjoy the video.